morning everyone! We're here in Six Flags Adventure. Ito kami! Great Adventure! They have a lot of rides here. Inside they have a lot of rides too, right? Ah, it's so cold.
You cold already?
No, I'm glad that I have my, I wear layers. Hi guys! We're here in Six Flags with my best friends, Rose and Joe. Diba? Super lamig! Yun yung ano nila. Christmas tree. Diba pa ganyan pa sila. Hadi ka dito mag-picture. Saan? Sa M&M picture tayo. Do you know M&M? Yan. Ay, madaming tao sis. Maganda sana din yung ano no, may safari sila. Picture tayo dyan no? Tato tayo sis. Ha? Picture tayo muna doon no?
Tayo ba?
Saan tayo? Palawas mo na yung camera mo. Ayan. Rose.
I know they close early. Yeah, they close at like 7:30.
Dito na kami. Picture muna kami sa mga ano. Ito kami sa rides. What are we gonna try first? Vikings? Oh my gosh. Vikings, madam. Vikings. Where's the Vikings? Over there? Oh my gosh. Sis Jom, Vikings daw tayo. Let's go.
Don't follow me. I have no clue where we're going.
Rose? You should follow Rose. Yeah, where are we going then?
I think Rose wants to go on the Viking.
I don't know where they're going.
Ay, hindi ako magtatakay dyan sa Joker na yan.
Bakit? Ayan yung Joker, oh.
Yan, baliktad.
Ay, totoo. Ang daming tao dito. Tapos lahat puros pulupot yung mga damit kasi ang lamig. Ha? I'm wearing gloves because it's really cold. That's the Joker, right, sis? Have you tried that? Yung Joker?
Yun lang.
Yan lang? Madami silang rides dito, di ba? Pero well daw itry natin.
Huwag takay niya yan. Diyos ko,
We'll try Vikings. What is that?
Yung gravity daw.
Ah, parang naano ka? Sarado yung yung Vikings nila. Hindi pa namin alam. How about Air Jumbo? How about Air Jumbo, sis? Yan, sis, oh. Yan. I don't wanna go there. I don't wanna go there, my gosh. I feel like that. Yan. Punta na lang kami Pereswell kasi sarado yung Vikings nila. Kasi ito, parang to sis, Gravity or something. Ayan, para sa mga bata. It's only for kids. Oh no, there's some adults too. Bumper car! Pwede din mag-bumper car tayo kung gusto natin. Ito, Diyos ko po, nakakatakot ng ganyan. Nakaano ka ba? Double layer yung ipapababa mo? Ako din. Yan. First of all. Ano yun sis? So, tignan mo, naka-costume. Maglilinya muna ko. Daming tao.
Wait, no single rider is permitted.
Kami sa Ferris wheel. How do you pronounce it?
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel. Yung mga kaibigan namin na doon. Ito yung asawa ko. It's only 2 of us and my other friends are like 4 of them. My other friends. That's my husband.
Hello.
Dalawa lang kami. Parang nagde-date. I feel like it's very...
She said, it's a Ferris wheel.
Dito na kami sa taas. Nakikita ko yung mga rides dito. We should try that, my love. Oh my gosh.
What?
Those, may nakita akong rides. They open. I can see the people riding on it. Ayun, nakakatakot na rides. Oh my gosh. I don't want that, my love.
Why not?
You want to go there? You want to try that ride?
I've been on that ride a few times.
Ang lamig. Yun yung mga kaibigan ko dyan. Nasa taas kami.
That looks like fun.
Not
That's so
for me.
cold though. You know how cold
Yeah,
that is?
yeah, and it's so windy.
I would need like a face mask to go on that
Yeah.
ride.
Gagex mabayad. Diyos ko po. Mag-a-apoy muna kami dito kasi ano. Oh, sis. May band na sila dito. Yung mga asawa namin dyan nagbumili ng hot chocolate, s'mores. Ano kami ng s'more. Coffee, hot chocolate.
I got one for you. Which one?
Where?
One of those sticks you got.
Magsiscore kami. Diyan. Yan, may mga ano sila dyan. May bumper car dito. Oo, bumper car.
Charot mo naman to.
Ihi muna kami. Ihi muna yung Disney princess namin. Mga Disney princess.
Kayo?
Oo, tanay kasi.
Kain muna kami. Parang may ano sila dito. Ano tawag dito? Parang kung sa bagasaan, parang food court na isahan na. Daming tao. Yun yung mga pagkain nila. Daming tao dito.
Totoo, sis.
Ha?
Ilang rosaryo ka dito.
Sino? Si Rose? Yan. Rose, tignan mo yung mukha mo dyan, no? Sa video ni Jom. Binidyoan ka ni Jom. Daming tao. Ah. Mga ano ko.
Masama na.
Daming tao dito.
Takot na takot ako ha.
Tara. First one. Ang ganda nga.
Oh, you guys want to go on this thing? Wait, that doesn't do anything but just go back and forth. I thought that's the one that goes upside down, huh?
Vikings! Mag-Vikings kami.
Ay, kainat ka na ba?
Ha? Okay. Hindi pwede yung ano, dalhin yung camera.
Can you? I don't know. Can you take your camera with you? I'm not going that way. You're not going on it? Gotta get on with that.
Oh, ang ganda. Tapos na namin mag-Vikings. That was crazy.
That was crazy. What's the big tree?
Ganda. Ang lamig na mga be.
That's a great idea.
Especially during October.
Let's get hammered and go on a ride.
May mga ano din sila, may mga pagkain na pwede kang bumili. Yan yung Christmas tree nila. Okay, punta kaming sa ano nila, candy store. Ito yung mga asawa namin, mga mahilig sa candy. Ang dami silang candy. Hindi. Dito ko kung ano, kumakati. Ang dami silang, oo, yan din sabi ko kanina sa'yo kumakati na. My love, they have some nerds there. Not the white one. Like the pink one. That candy. How about this one? This must be sour, is it? But edible. You can eat this. It's like gummy. It's not even real. It just, you know, they just designed that. Yan. Meron din silang mga damit dito. Yeah, it's a big store. Lucky pala. I thought it's only like this. Yeah. Oh, this is like the cool thing.
Oh, what we do for Mason, remember?
Why he likes Naruto?
Yeah, he's obsessed. Obsessed. This is cold.
Yan yung forma natin.
Back to the candy.
Firm.
You know the shit you spent 500 on?
Oh yeah, a bunch of over there.
My love. My love.
No, I don't want burgers. I'm good, thanks.
Burgers.
That's their Halloween candy leftover.
I got plenty. I got plenty of burgers.
Napaka-asim. Eto sis. Yan. Ang asim. Ito yung ano eh, parang ano, yung ginagawa ng iba, parang challenge.
Yes. Right? Yeah. Oh, wonderful.
Let's go, lady. Jesus. They kicked my horse and a chicken.